In this video, I'm going to show you about a brilliant feature we've recently installed into Popcorn because we've had so many users contacting us with that moment where they've gone, I've deleted something, how do I recover it? And in Popcorn, it's now really easy. So all you need to do is log into your account, go up to here, click your account, go to the user if it's yourself or if it's one of your team members, click on that person's name, and the first thing you can see here is a list of all the things that person has deleted in the past 30 days. Now, you can scroll down to find exactly what you want. You can see, for instance, here I deleted Joe B. If I wanted to undo that, I would click the undo button there. And likewise, if I wanted to permanently delete that data, I can click delete. Okay, but just to confirm, when you do this, you can recover contacts, companies, emails, and campaigns, and we'll store this data for up to 30 days for you, so you've got that chance to recover and identify any mistakes before it's too late. After that 30-day point, we do have an ability to restore from backups, but that is a chargeable exercise. When you're using this feature, it's completely free and it's built in to be dealt with in seconds.